Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a logo using CloudMySite AI. First, log into cloudmysite.ai, go to AI Studio and open logo generator. Now enter the business or app name. For this example, I will use Cloud Bakery. Next, enter a tagline if you have one, for example, fresh cakes made with love. Now write logo brief. This is where you explain what kind of logo you want. For example, create a modern logo for a premium bakery. Use a clean icon with a cake or wheat symbol. The design should feel warm, elegant and suitable for website, packaging and social media. Next, choose the style direction. You may choose styles such as modern, minimal, abstract, tech, luxury, or playful, depending on the brand. For a bakery, I might choose modern or luxury. Next, choose the logo layout. You may choose icon only or icon plus wordmark. Icon only is useful for app icon or profile images. Icon plus wordmark is better for website, business cards, and branding. Now choose the image size. For most logos, square format works well. Click Generate. CloudMySite will create logo options based on your brief. Once the logo are generated, review them carefully. Check if the text is readable, the icon matches the brand, and the logo looks good on a website. If you want improvement, click Generate again. It will create new logo for you. Once you like the logo, download it and use it in your project. You can place it in website header, footer, favicon, social media, invoices, presentation and marketing material. That's how to create a logo using CloudMySite.